Hi, and welcome to Mechanical Warhorse's instructional video on how to put together your newly purchased game marker. For today's demo, we're going to be assembling a blast marker. Now, if you have another type of marker and the pieces look a bit different, don't worry. As long as it's using our cross-piece setup, which most of our newest generation of markers employ, you'll be able to follow along and get the general idea of how to put your marker together. So, let's get started. To begin with, we have 4 parts and a base with a slot cut in it. You'll notice that 2 of the orange blast parts are identical. Go ahead and set those aside for a second. We'll start with the most important part. This is the foundation piece, and we'll build the rest of the marker around it. As you can see, it has a large section cut out of it, extending almost to the bottom where it forms a bar. Take the cross piece and set it across the base so that it crosses over the middle slot and hold it in place. Next, take the smoke cloud piece. If you look at the bottom, you'll notice it has a tab with a notch cut in it. Place the smoke cloud into the cutout section of the cross piece and make sure the notch fits over the bottom bar. If you've done it correctly, the tab will fit loosely into the slot of the black base. You can actually let go of the 2 pieces and they should stand in place. Now, take one of the identical blast pieces and place it in the cutout section of the cross piece so it's sitting parallel to the smoke. Make sure the shallow notch on the bottom fits over the cross piece properly so that its bottom is flush with the base. Then take the other blast piece and do the same thing on the opposite side of the smoke cloud, making sure it sits flush. Voila! Your marker is assembled. Now, as you can see, our example piece fits together snugly. But since acrylic is formed by extrusion, the thickness of it can vary. So if your marker's fit is a bit loose, you'll want to add a drop of super glue on the bottom where the pieces join. Most people also like to glue the marker permanently to its base, but that's up to your personal preference. So there you have it, a few simple steps, and your game marker is ready to use.